Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my Sunday reset routine. I actually started this routine on Saturday because I realized, let me go ahead and go grocery shopping on Saturday, get everything I need, put it up, and then I'll follow through with like cooking, cleaning, and doing the rest of my duties on Sunday. So yeah, here I am just unpacking all of the groceries, and I'll actually go ahead and before I left, I ended up cleaning out the fridge. I threw away food that needed to be thrown away, and now I'll just be cleaning the fridge as far as like crumbs and dirt and just stuff that just needs to be cleaned out. It's always good to just kind of refresh your fridge at the end of the week and just give it a nice wipe down, a nice clean. So that's what I'm doing here. After I completed that, I put away my groceries. Y'all do not judge me because I don't have one of those egg container thingies. I don't even know why I don't have one, but I don't have one. And I needed to just put them away. So I did that. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of the groceries away. So after I put the groceries away, I wanted to go ahead and prepare. Like I told y'all, I needed to prepare. So I'm cooking jollof rice. And when I cook jollof rice, I always cook hen. Like I cook my hen, I season it well, add some water, and let that thing boil. So while that's boiling, I had the bright idea to make some brownies. Because I was like, okay, I had to knock out all these dishes that are sitting and waiting for me. So let me just make some brownies and have that in the oven, so it's like a little treat after I'm done washing the dishes. Y'all about to see these dishes. So yeah, I just went ahead and put the brownies in the oven, and look how satisfying this looks, guys. Like I just could not get over that. But yeah, put the brownies in the oven, and then I got started with these dishes. So yeah, dishes are just never fun. They're never fun, but they have to be done. So I went ahead and knock the dishes out. After I wash the dishes, I like to really clean out my sink area, give it a nice wash down, rinse down, and then I actually proceeded with the baking soda and vinegar, and I just cleaned out the drain and then follow up with some boiling water as well, just to run through and make sure that my drain is clean. So now I'm checking on my hen. It's boiling, y'all. This is the base of a fantastic jollof rice. I don't cook jollof rice unless I've boiled hen. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. That broth is gonna hit. But yeah, so here are the brownies that baked, and they were super gooey. And it was just my little treat after I washed them dishes. And then I had some hot chocolate. So it's the next morning, and each morning I start off with the word. I just like to sit down, have quiet time with the Lord, and just kind of set my day. So after that, I journal. I wrote down my tasks for the week. After that, I proceeded with taking off the bed sheets, and I wanted to just get off all the bed sheets in the house, including my daughter's room and my daughter's sheets, and then throw them in the washer so I can proceed with the next task. So now that the sheets are washing, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the bathroom. Our bathroom is already clean, so I wanted to go ahead and clean my daughter's bathroom. I love these Scrubbing Bubbles products because I really feel like they just give a nice, good clean. And yeah, so I let everything marinate, and then I proceed with just cleaning the sink, the countertops, the mirror. Just go ahead and just clean everything down. Then I start getting in there with the tub. Y'all, so this is what I'm currently using, but I really need to upgrade to, like, I've seen it on TikTok. It's one of those things that like spin. I need to go ahead and get that, because this one I feel like I had to put in some manpower, and I need to make my cleaning days as simple as possible. So after I finished that, I just finished off with sweeping the bathroom. I actually didn't mop the bathroom like I typically do, but I will follow that up. I'll follow up with that tomorrow. But yeah, here's the clean bathroom. I needed to go ahead and get something to eat. So I'm just making a quick yogurt parfait. I absolutely love this breakfast. It's just light. I have my fresh fruit, some granola, some local honey. I also add Nutella too. I feel like it just gives like the cherry on top. And I just sat down on my balcony and ate my yogurt. I just really wanted to just get some sun. So after all that cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and do some self-care. I'm actually using the Dove Shea Butter, I think vanilla body wash, which I love. And this is my favorite feminine wash, and also my rinse off body conditioner by Olay. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a nice long shower before I proceed with other things. After I get out the shower, I like to go ahead and do my skincare routine. I'm currently using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, as well as the Good Molecules Balancing Toner and their Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm also trying out this new moisturizer from Gleaming. It's a superfood daily moisturizer. They sent it to me and I'm just giving it a try. So far so good, but we'll see how it works out in the next couple of weeks. After that, I use my whipped shea butter that I make from home, and I just go ahead and lather my body in it. It is so moisturizing. It gives me the best glow, and this tops lotion any day. And now the cooking. So when it comes to me, I literally cannot eat the same things over and over again. Like, I know y'all be like meal prepping and all that, and it's so great and it's so convenient, but like, I don't want to eat the same food over and over and over. Jollof rice is the only type of food that I will eat day after day, because it's just that good. It's just that good, and I don't mind eating it. So right here, I'm sauteing some onions, tomato paste, and bay leaves. And I'm gonna add in my blended puree. And then also, I'm just gonna season this really well. I think I added thyme, Maggi, pepper, just all types of good stuff. And I'm adding in that broth that I mentioned from yesterday. That broth is gonna add so much flavor. I added it in my rice, butter, and we're just gonna let this cook, y'all. This is about to be the best jollof. Look, I told you. So this is my jollof. I also made stew, my hen stew. I sauteed some cabbage, fried some plantains, and this, y'all, I will eat this again and again and again, okay? Babe put the food in the containers and washed the dishes. So y'all, that was it. This is the end of the Sunday reset, and I'll see you all in the next one.